Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download AnCrypto wallet on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Play Store on your device. Now, at the search bar, type in AnCrypto wallet and click on search button. Here, scroll down until you find this icon. After that, click on Install button. You may need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or a passcode if it is your first time installing it. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After that, click on Open to use the AnCrypto application. And you can also find the application on your home screen. Simply tap on it and use the application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.